Good morning, student. This is my last and sixth camp for you now. Yes, in this camp we will discuss about stress management, tension, depression, state management. I have 4 pranayam. Let's start. Firstly, we will do Kapalbhati. Sitting in a Padmasan, Sukhamasana. Straight your arm, eyes will be closed. Exhalation. This is a Kapalbhati, very beneficial for your stress, depression management. Second, Lom Vilom. Firstly, back straight, arm will be downside, left hand, index and thumb joint, right finger, index and middle finger, fold. Inhale from your left nostril, exhale from your right nostril. Again, inhale from your right nostril, exhale from your left nostril. This is a Lom Vilom, very beneficial for your stress and depression. Next, third is a Om chanting. Firstly, index, upper head, middle and ring finger touch your eyes, little finger down, thumb inside your ear. This is a Om, internal Om chanting. Repeat. And fourth is Om chanting. Proper inhalation. This is Om chanting. Very beneficial for your stress, your depression. Do 5 and 10 minutes per day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, students. This is summer camp in APS school for yoga. I have some tips and suggestions for every student. Firstly, fold your mat after yoga. Second, take proper, healthy and balanced diet. Number 1, proteins. Students, protein is very helpful for muscles and bones. So take proteins. In protein, milk, cheese, butter, beans, etc. Next, carbohydrates. You have to take proper carbohydrates for energy and power. In carbohydrates, you have to take rice, gur, chane, milk, nuts, etc. Vitamins. You have to take proper vitamins. Proper vitamins, proper fruits, green vegetables. Next, water. You have 3 and 4 liter water per day. Milk is a complete diet. So you have 2 and 3 glass per day. Next is fat. Fat is helpful for build up your muscles. So in fat, milk, butter, cheese. Next, students, sleep proper. 6 and 8 hours sleep is compulsory for everyone. So take rest and sleep properly. Get up early in the morning. Next, cut your nails, cut your hair, wash your hand properly after and before meal. Eat healthy diet. Okay students, stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.
Good morning students, I am Virendra Naran from Anand Public School, faculty member of the school for last many years. Today, as you know, summer camp is going to start. For these days, you have to groom your personality with so many activities, and one of the activity I am going to start with you and share my views and some articles with the towel arrangement. I hope you will enjoy this activity. My first article is a pair of swan. So let's start to prepare a swan with the towel. Open it first like this. Make the half. This is the half of the towel, and hold the towel like this. Now see my right hand properly. I will start folding like this. See, you can take the help of anyone at home. This is very easy. Fold it tightly. At the middle, you have to join these two things. Now see, I have folded both the ways. Now what you have to do, you have to reverse it like this. And after that, you have to make a press over there in the center and like this. Fold. Pressing must keep on. This will make a space to like this, and this is your almost swan is ready. Cover with rubber band to make it more stable like this. Now it is proper. Now it's a turn for its feather. How we will make the feather? Student, take a small hand towel and do the fan folding. You know what is fan folding? With the help of paper in your childhood, you have done this type of activity many times. One this side, one another side. One this side and one another side. In this way you will make a fan. This is rough. In the middle you have to hold and fold it. As I have done here. Fold it. Fold it and tie with the rubber. At the starting point you will tie with the rubber and it will open like this. Fans. These are used for the swan's feather and we will place here like this. See? We will place here like this. How beautifully this is ready for you. Take the bindis and you can place the eyes of swan like this. Eyes, beaks, that depends on your creativity, how much creative you are. Going for the now next article. Till then you can practice this swan at the home. So students, my next article is teddy bear. You have seen in the display that there are two teddy bear. You can decorate it with ribbon and bindis also. First fold like this. Now from this end start folding. You have to fold it up to middle part, and from this side also you will start fold, so that the both the end meet in between, in the middle also, like this. When this position becomes, reverse it. Now the main thing is that you have to make the legs. See students, from my left hand what I am going to do like this. Do like this. As it was here, fold it just only. From the center it will make like a cross. Now this one, do like this. This almost shape is ready. These are the legs and these are the arms. Now we will firstly prepare the face and ear. From the face you will lift the towel. And now we will make the ear with the rubber band, one fold, and do with the other fold like this. From this pair also we will start. The rubber should be tightly on the ear. Now what you will do, in the center you can take a rubber band for the neck purpose, neck, and again one fold, neck. So this becomes your neck and this is your arms. Now we will tie the ribbon on the neck so that it can get some shape also, like this. You can make a beautiful bow according to your wish. See student, it comes in the shape almost. Now we will use the bindis. One eye like this, one eye like this, and in between. So students, see, this your teddy bear ready. Students, my today's third article is a flower. You can say that it is a lotus flower. Take one towel like this. One single fold I have done, and meet the opposite corners like this. Join the opposite articles like this. Opposite like this. Hold from the middle and reverse it. Hold from the middle and reverse it. Now again join 4 corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Join, hold from the middle. Now this is the main important part. I am going to open the petals. Take one corner from down. See, one petal is there. Same in the other. Take one like this. See from the other. Third one. Take out the petal from the down. And this is also. So students, this is your flower ready. You can place it anywhere, right? As you know, I have made one other also, that is a white color, and place like this there. So you can take one more and one more. 3/4 heaps of these flowers you can prepare. Set the petals properly. So students, this is the lotus flowers. You can use any color towels, 3 color also and single color also. So I hope you have enjoyed very well. Practice at home, because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you all and wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, how are you all today? So today we will make these baskets. You can use it to gift somebody, or you can use it to store your clips or safety pins, and we can even make big baskets in a similar way. So what I used today was Fevicryl molded to make these, and we'll learn in the tutorial ahead that how we're supposed to make it. And you need Fevicol, some oil and powder. So but one thing which I would like to mention here is, आपको बड़ा बनाना है तो आप सेरेमिक या पीओपी यूज़ करके उसका आटे जैसा डो बना के एक बड़े बोल पे अच्छे से तेल लगा के लगाना. Even when you're using this on a bowl, you will put lots of oil on your bowl, like you'll see in the video also. But remember to put lots of oil on the bowl, otherwise it will stick and it will not come out. So we'll begin with making these, and I'll tell you how to make these little flowers also here, which you could make. If you make a bigger bowl, you could just cover the whole lining here with the flowers as well. So we'll begin now. आज हम डबल लेयर फेस मास्क बनाएंगे। ऊपर कॉटन का कपड़ा और नीचे मलमल का कपड़ा लगाएंगे। 8 बाय 8 आप कपड़े को काट लो, कॉटन का भी और मलमल का भी। फिर उसको 8 इंचेस पे डिवाइड कर लो, 4.5, 3.5 एंड 5.5। अब इसको हम थोड़ा फोल्ड करके 3 लेयर्स बना देंगे इसमें और उसको स्टेपल कर देंगे। जो स्टेपल हम बाद में खोल देंगे जब हम स्टिच करेंगे, तो बस थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है काम करना। और थोड़ा नीचे से लेके कपड़ा हल्का सा फोल्ड करके डबल फोल्ड इसको हम स्टिच करेंगे। अगर आपके पास सुइंग मशीन है घर में तो ये और भी जल्दी बन जाता है, क्योंकि सुइंग मशीन में आप जल्दी जल्दी ढेर सारे मास्क इकट्ठे बना सकते हो। इसमें एक बात का ध्यान रखना, जो हमने 8 इंचेस लिया था, 8 हमारा अडल्ट्स के लिए है, 7 लेंगे हम टीन्स के लिए और 6 लेंगे बच्चों के लिए, सो दैट वो फेस पे फिट बैठेगा एकदम। एक साइड हमने स्टिच कर लिया, अब हम ऊपर से दूसरी तरफ से स्टिच करके ये जो तीनों हमने फोल्ड्स किए थे उनको स्टेपल हटा के सुई धागे से एक बार दोबारा से हल्का सा टांका मार लेंगे उसमें। आप जब घर पे बनाते हैं तो 4-5 फेस मास्क एक आदमी के लिए, एक मेंबर के लिए बना सकते हैं। इसको ध्यान रखो, जब भी आप फेस मास्क बाहर से यूज़ करके आ रहे हो तो इसको हमने धोना है। तभी हम खुद बना रहे हैं कि हम ढेर फेस मास्क अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स के लिए बना पाएँ। अगर हम एक ही फेस मास्क बार बार यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो वो ज़्यादा इन्फेक्शन कैच कर रहा है। फिर अपने कान का नाप लेके उसमें हम लास्टिक दोनों तरफ से स्टिच कर देंगे। इधर लास्टिक की जगह आप कपड़ा भी लगा सकते हो। मेरे पास पतला लास्टिक नहीं था, नहीं तो बेटर रहता है इससे भी पतला वाला लास्टिक लेके आप दोनों तरफ स्टिच कर दो और आपका फेस मास्क रेडी हो जाता है।
Welcome our lovely students in the English spoken classes. Definitely whatever we have taught you, you are implementing the same and writing each and every point. Today as you see that I have brought an aeroplane here. Aeroplane में बैठना है? Okay, बैठेंगे, but जब हमें आएगी English. I'm not saying that Hindi is not a communication language, but when we visit such kind of places, so definitely we need to give a good impact, and it can be done by speaking and communicating in English. So today I'm taking you to the visit to airport. When we go to airport, there are number of passengers, number of people who are there and whom we have to interact to. But we will do in English. So here we go. Now, here are some words which are to be used in the airport. What is terminal? Terminal क्या होता है? You know that? Terminal is the place where the passengers are standing. There is 2 to 3 terminals and people enter by terminals. Fine? Second is departure gate. It is the final gate from which passengers say ta-ta to their relatives and enter the airport. Third is check-in. Check-in के बिना कोई अंदर नहीं जा सकता. If you would have passport and boarding pass, then only you can enter. Then is cabin baggage. It is the baggage counter where you have to keep it what you are carrying with yourselves. Definitely it is not called luggage. It is called baggage. Baggage. It is overhead bin. Overhead bin क्या होता है? It is the final bin on the top of your seat so that you can keep your petty things in the overhead bin. What is boarding pass? It is the pass which you are having and then only you can travel in the aeroplane. And you know who greet you when you enter in the aeroplane? Air hostess जो आपको aeroplane के अंदर greet करती हैं, they are known as cabin crew. The final path in which aeroplane runs, जहां पर aeroplane run करता है take off होने के लिए, it is runway, runway. And finally the aeroplane goes in the air and it is known as take off. And when the aeroplane lands, landing, and all the people in the airport are known as air staff. These are the petty things which you have to know when you travel in the aeroplane. So I would be telling something new to you. Stay tuned. Thank you. Hello students. Again I am taking you to the railway station. It is a part of your English session and definitely you will learn something new. Tell your friends what you have learned and write write down the points which I'm telling you. So, first is platform. Platform is the place where passengers sit. Passengers, we are the passengers. जो लोग ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं, they are known as passengers. And for what they are waiting for? They are waiting for train, and these are known as passengers. And where they are waiting? At platform. Second is ticket checker. टिकट के बिना थोड़ी ना एंटर करोगे ट्रेन में. Ticket checker is the person who check your ticket which you have to carry when you enter in the train. Third is ticket counter. It is the counter from where we have to take the ticket. नानी के घर जाते हैं, दादी के घर जाते हैं, टिकट लेके ही जाते हैं ट्रेन में, फ्री में थोड़ी ना जाते हैं. Next is hawkers and vendors. Hawkers और vendors. This is the new term for you. Hawkers वो person होते हैं जो रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म पर अपना सामान बेचते हैं. Hawkers one to another place चेंज होते रहते हैं, पर जो वेंडर्स होते हैं वो एक ही जगह पे फिक्स्ड होते हैं और वो अपना डेली यूज का सामान बेचते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज बर्थ. ये जन्म वाला बर्थ नहीं है, BERTH. बर्थ इज द प्लेस वेयर वी सिट. जो हम सीट बोलते हैं ना, वो सीट नहीं होती, वो बर्थ बोलते हैं उसको, बर्थ. नेक्स्ट इज कुली. ऑफ कोर्स इतना सारा सामान हम थोड़ी ना लेके जाएंगे. कौन लेके जाता है? कुली. कुली इज द पर्सन हु टेक आवर luggage. Who take our luggage. Next, train coaches. मेरे को उस वाले डिब्बे में नहीं बैठना, मुझे इस वाले में बैठना है. तो वो क्या होते हैं? कोचेस. जो ट्रेन के अलग अलग डब्बे होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रेन कोचेस. एंड नेक्स्ट, लगेज. मैं बार बार इस वर्ड को रिपीट कर रही हूँ. लगेज इज अ सामान जो हम कैरी आउट कर रहे होते हैं ट्रेन में बैठने के लिए. हमारे खाने पीने का सामान होता है, उसके अंदर हमारे कपड़े होते हैं, एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स. So these were some words to be used when we are traveling by train. So tell your friends also, and I hope अब आपको हर word की clarification हो गई है. Write these words and definitely enjoy your days. Hello students. Now we have third visit for the day, and it is visit to a bank. We often go to bank, but we don't know the terminologies used in the bank. So here we are with some of the words which are to be used in the bank, and you have to tell your friends, your parents, or everyone in contact, so that you should tell them that you have learned something new. So first is guard. Guard is a person who properly wear a uniform and stand in front of the bank so that कोई चोर ना आ जाए. Second is ATM. ATM is automatic teller machine. It is a machine in which you put your ATM card and withdraw the amount what you want. Now moving towards our third terminology, that is check. Check is a document in which name of the bank has been written, and it is used to transfer money from one account to another, and it is also used to take out cash from the bank. Third is withdrawal. Withdrawal is the amount which we are in need of. Definitely, we keep some amount by filling the withdrawal form. Third is deposit. When we have money and it is not safe in our houses, we deposit the amount in bank only. Third is cashiers and tellers. Definitely, it is the person who give you cash and accept the cash. वो ऐसा इंसान है जो आपके पैसों को accept भी करता है और आपके withdraw भी करके देता है. Now, all were these words used in banking line. But last but not the least, it is the word locker. Locker is the facility which the bank provides to the customer by taking some amount of money. It is the facility in which we can put our jewelry so that it is safe in the bank. So here was such kind of terminologies which we used in the bank. I hope next time you are aware of each and everything you are using while going to the bank. Thank you and stay tuned.
It is said that victory is not the property of brilliance, it's a crown for those who bend themselves before the hard work and the self-confidence. So related this quote, I would like to start my topic, that is group discussion. The short form is GD. As you can see, ये एक ऐसी डिस्कशन है जहां पे लोगों को एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक दे दिया जाता है और वो इंडिविजुअली अपनी जो ओपिनियन है वो प्रेजेंट करते हैं लोगों के सामने. Do you know students, this is the part of interview which plays a most important role in your life. So let us start some tips or rule and regulation you can say to discuss with you. The first rule of the GD is that to wear the formal clothes and be on time. Yes, every candidate, those who will participate in it, he should be in his formal dress. and he should be on time. It would be very, very impressive, dear. My second point is sit with pen and paper because it's very necessary, it's very essential for us. अगर मेरे पास pen और paper है, then I can write heading and the subheading of the topic which will be given. My third point is some topics must be prepared related to your field, which is very necessary. उससे related आपको knowledge बहुत ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए. वो topics आपको tips पर होने चाहिए. My fourth point is initiate first. If you are ready with your material, you can speak first. My fifth point is be optimistic and well confident. That plays a very important role in your GD part. My sixth point is cooperation. Cooperation plays a very significant role. Whatever you are speaking in your GD, please cooperate with others. Let them speak. My seventh point is you should be a good listener because a good listener becomes a good speaker. So have patience, speak slowly but frequently. My next point is you have to maintain your eye contact, which is most important thing. अगर आप eye contact नहीं कर रहे हैं, it means you are not confident at all. The main thing is that your hand expression as well as the face expression must be accurate and according to your position, according to your speaking. It plays a very good role. I'm going to discuss my last point with you, that is don't aim at interrupting into anyone. Focus your matter, focus your topic which is related your GD. To sum up my topic, I would like to say अगर कोई कैंडिडेट आप ही की कोई गोल्डन लाइन बोल देता है तो इसके लिए आप अपने फेवर दीजिए एंड से सर आई लाइक हिज पॉइंट एंड यू विल बी शाइन आउट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स. देयर इज अ टिप for all the GD candidates which is most important, that is if you are going to begin your GD, you can start with the sentence to begin with or in the beginning. If you are middle in the GD, you can speak in addition to, but you are going to end your GD, and what will you say? You will say to sum up or to conclude, and please remember these points in your mind when you are going to do GD. Thank you very much. Please come inside.
Hello everyone. So here we are at the last segment of our English speaking and personality development. Definitely you can see me in my formal manners and talking to you in a very polite manner. So I am here for interview. So let's see some of the things which you have to keep in mind while you go for an interview. This is your file, resume file. You have to hold it like this in a professor style. This is called professor style. And after knocking the door and entering in my interviewer room, walk very slowly and smoothly with a pleasant smile over your face. Small feet, don't slouch, and in a very confident body posture, move in. Stay tuned, we have much more for this interview session. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Have a seat, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Always give respect to your chair when you sit on it. And don't sit like a boss. Sit like an interviewee. And please be comfortable on your seat. And put your resume file on your lap and hands to be kept like this.
Could you please show me your file?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay. How can I call you?
I am Nancy.
Okay, Nancy, please talk about yourself.
I am Nancy. I am post-graduated in commerce with 85% marks.
Okay.
And now, presently, I am working as assistant professor in Anand Public College.
Okay, that's great. So Nancy, talk about your strengths.
My strength is my confidence. I take every opportunity very seriously and do my best.
Okay. So Nancy, what do you want to be in your life?
Definitely, I want to be a senior manager in some reputed company with a good promotional skills.
Okay. So what are you doing nowadays for it?
As I have already told you that I am working as assistant professor, but I keep on reviewing my skills and making myself more caliber for the job.
That's great. Nancy, could you please talk about your weaknesses?
I lose my temper when someone kill the pest or definitely show cruelty on animals.
Okay, any other?
I don't believe so.
Okay. What do you know about my company?
Definitely, your company is very much reputed and I have got lots and lots to know about your company. Main thing that I like about your company is your promotional activities.
What do you expect from me, dear?
Definitely, I am here for the job and increase my much more efficiency.
Why should I hire you?
As I have confidence and my qualities are matching your requirement.
Okay, suppose how will you do and handle a change if it comes in your life?
Change is the necessity of life and definitely we have to make challenges into opportunities.
Okay, that's great. You're doing good job. See, I hope you will give your best.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much for that.
Can I leave now?
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Always stand very calmly and again pull in your chair and walk with a slight steps. Your noise or footsteps should not come. Always prepare some questions for your interview like your strength, your weakness, your caliber, your creativity and why you require this job. Definitely you will excel the what you are going in. So here we are at the closing of the interview. While closing the door, put your resume file on the other hand and quietly, without noise, shut the door so that your back does not be shown by others. Thank you, viewers. I hope you'll get excel in an interview and please prepare the questions and practice as much as you can. But one thing I want to say is confidence. If you have confidence, you will get the job. Thank you. Bye.
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज मयंक। आज मैं आपको सिखाने वाला हूँ पंजाबी डांस। सॉन्ग का नेम है ओल्ड स्कूल, सिद्धू मूसेवाले का है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट स्टेप से। फर्स्ट स्टेप है राइट फिंगर आगे दिखानी है, लेफ्ट लेग अप, राइट लेग अप, देन लेफ्ट। अपोजिट चलेगा 1 2 राइट देन लेफ्ट। देन हैंड्स को, दोनों हैंड्स को बंद रखेंगे। नेक्स्ट स्टेप है ऊपर से इधर जाएगा 2 लेग्स, देखिए कैसे चलेगी 1 2 राइट लेग जाएगी, देन नीचे से जाएगा हैंड, देन इधर तो वापस कंप्लीट स्टेप करके दिखाता हूँ 1 2 3 4 clap clap clap, left hand up, right hand 1 2 3 4। इसके साथ लेग स्टेप कैसे करना है, राइट लेग चलेगी पहले 1 2 3, लेग जितनी टाइम टैप करेंगे उतना बेटर लगेगा 1 2 3 4। क्लियर? सेम स्टेप दोबारा रिपीट होगा 1 2 3 4। अब कंप्लीट सर्कल लेंगे। सर्कल लेंगे तो लेग अपोजिट नहीं चलेगी, सेम चलेगी 1 2 3 4 5 6। क्लियर? दोबारा करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। क्लियर? ये नेक्स्ट स्टेप स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेग्स देखिए पहले 1 2 3। अब राइट लेग को उठाएंगे, जितना ज्यादा उठाएंगे उतना बेटर होगा 1 2 टाइम हम लेग को पीछे लेकर आएंगे। पहले सीधा किक बैक। दोबारा देखिए राइट से स्टार्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6। क्लियर? देन लेफ्ट लेग से सेम स्टेप करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6। इसके साथ हैंड सेट करना है 1 लेफ्ट हैंड अप, जोन सी लेग चल रही है वही वाला लेफ्ट हैंड नीचे रहेगा 1 2 3 4 5 6। चेंज 1 2 3 4 5 6। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट स्टेप स्टार्ट करते हैं। राइट हैंड अप, लेफ्ट हैंड डाउन। जो हैंड डाउन रहेगा उसी लेग से किक करना है 1 2 हैंड्स को देखिए, इसको थ्रो करना है, दोनों हैंड एक साथ चलेंगे, पीछे जाएंगे, देन आगे फ्लाई करना है 2 टाइम, देन हैंड चेंज होगा, लेग चेंज होगी 1 2 क्लियर। इसी को हम 8 टाइम्स करेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 क्लियर। अब नेक्स्ट इसी का ही सेम स्टेप है, दोनों हैंड्स डाउन 1 2 देन ऊपर अप 3। यही सारे स्टेप दोबारा से मैं रिपीट करके दिखाता हूँ आपको, देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 नेक्स्ट 1 2 3 4 यस। इसी का नेक्स्ट स्टेप है राइट हैंड अप, 1 टाइम थ्रो करना है, हैंड चेंज 2 टाइम हो गया, देन दोनों हैंड्स को राइट हैंड अप, लेफ्ट हैंड एल्बो के पास, इसको ऊपर से ये ऐसे भी आप कर सकते हैं और इसको दोनों हैंड को ओपन करके ऐसे भी लेकर आ सकते हैं। दोबारा देखिए 1 2 3 देन पीछे लेकर जाएंगे, देन क्लब 1 2 3 4 के साथ लेग देखिए कैसे करनी है, लेफ्ट हैंड डाउन तो लेफ्ट लेग चलेगी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 दोनों हैंड क्रॉस, देन डाउन 1 2 3 4 थंब बाहर निकाल के रखेंगे इसको 1 2 3 4। दोबारा देखिए 1 2 3 4 राइट लेग आगे लेकर आएंगे, नेक्स्ट स्टेप हैंड्स डाउन क्लिक देन बैक क्लिक देन बैक, दोबारा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। नेक्स्ट स्टेप है इसी का लेफ्ट लेग राइट लेग, लेफ्ट लेग आगे टर्न करना है साथ के साथ, इस लेग देखिए 1 2 3 देन राइट लेग बैक, लेफ्ट राइट देन लेफ्ट आगे आएगी, देन राइट वापस आगे, हैंड सब देखिए 1 2 एंड पीछे 3 लेफ्ट हैंड आगे लेकर आएंगे, देन लेफ्ट।
Good morning students, I'm Kujinder Kaur in front of you again. Student, this is my last video of this summer camp and I'm going to teach you some different steps on again fusion classical song. You will have to start with the feet gup chup. This one 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. enjoying our all videos, especially this video. This is Fusion Classical video, and I know you all are watching all the videos and giving very good response to us with awesome videos and very nice clippings. Stay fit, stay home and enjoy our summer camp. Thank you. Have a nice day.